Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add image as an overlay of background image in Elementor in WordPress, right? As you can see, we are into the Elementor and here I'm editing one of my web page of my website using Elementor, and in the middle of the screen there is a plus icon. We can click on this to create a new container, and here we are going to select the layout as flexbox, and in the structure we are going to select as direction column. Okay, the container has been appeared, but right now it is vacant, so we need to edit this container, and we will click on edit container option just above the container that is of 6 dots, right? So in the left side toolbar, as you can see, there are 3 settings: layout, style and advanced. And in the layout setting I'm going to increase the height of this container. Okay, and going back to the style settings, and here in the background you can see I have selected normal, and in the background type I have selected classic, and here I'm going to choose an image from my media library. I have already uploaded an image, so I can simply select that. Else you can also upload a new image from your system using upload files option. So I have selected the image and clicked on select. Okay, and now I'm going to change the position of this image using position settings. I'm going to select the custom position setting, and here I'm going to decrease Y position little bit. Okay, done. Now we are going to add an image in the background overlay, so we are going into the background overlay settings, and here in the background overlay in the normal we have selected the background type as classic, and we are going to choose image. Okay, so I'm going to select an image from the media library itself. So I have already uploaded few images. You can also upload a new image file from your system using upload files option. So I have selected this image and clicked on select. So here again I can simply change the display size to cover. Okay, and in the position it is good by default. Okay, and image resolution I can change it to medium large or large, whatever we want. I have selected full as the image resolution. Okay, and here we are going to change the position to the custom, and by position I am decreasing. Okay, so this is how you can simply add image in overlay of background image in Elementor in WordPress. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, then I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.